Spaghetti with mussels. A side dish from Italy. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Scrub the mussels well under cold running water, carefully cutting off the beards with a small sharp knife. Step 2. Place the mussels with a cupful of water in a large saucepan over medium heat. As soon as they open, lift them out one by one with a slotted spoon. Step 3. When all the mussels have opened, discard any that do not. Strain the liquid in the saucepan through a layer of paper towels to remove any grit, and reserve until needed. Step 4. Heat the oil in a large frying pan. Add the garlic and parsley and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the mussels, their cooking liquid and the wine. Cook over medium heat until heated through. Step 5. Add a generous amount of pepper to the sauce. Taste for seasoning, adding salt if necessary. Step 6. Cook the pasta in plenty of boiling salted water until tender to the tooth. Drain, then turn it into the frying pan with the sauce, and stir well over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Serve immediately. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.